In this video, we will talk about encapsulation. Encapsulation means to hide sensitive data. To understand it much better, let's go and have some practical implementation on it. So I will create a class first, name person, and in this person class we will have some private attributes that are name, int age, and int weight. So in this class we have created some private attributes, so no one can access it from outside of this class. So to access to set data or to get data to these attributes, we need getters and setters for these attributes. So let's go and generate getters and setters for these attributes, and I will come here and let's create getters and setters for all these three attributes. So as you can see, we have created some public methods here, like public get name, public set name. So here, like, we have created some getters and setters to set the data to these attributes. Okay, and keep these attributes private so no one can access it. So this is all about encapsulation. So what we are doing, actually we are just making it private, that our attributes, so no one can access it. And then we have created some public method to set and to get the data to these attributes. So directly they cannot be accessed, so they can be accessed through some public methods. So this is all about encapsulation. So now let's go in our class, in our main class, and now let's create an object for person here, and I will say person. And now I will access okay, there is a spelling mistake here, just a second. Okay, yep. So now I will set a name to this person, and I will say, for example, Mickey. And now let's set up the age, which is 34, and weight is 76. Okay, yep, 76. So as you can see, we have set the data to these private attributes through these public methods. So this is about encapsulation. Now let's go and print it. So I will say system.out.println, and I will say name is equal to name, okay, age is equal to person object dot get age. Now as you can see, I am using getters to get the data from these attributes. So I will say person object dot get age, sorry, get weight. Now let's run our code. So like, we have a name Mickey, age is equal to 34, and weight is equal to 76. Okay, so I will, let's put the comma here and change it with the equal to. Actually, let's make it more clear. Now let's run our code again, so better. So as you can see, name Mickey, age 34, weight 76. So what we did, actually we have created private attributes, and the getter and setters public method to set data to these attributes, or to get data from these attributes. So here we are setting the data to those attributes, and here we are using getter methods to fetch the data and print it in our console. So encapsulation word come from the capsule, and if you see we have a good illustration of encapsulation here. I took this from image from the internet, and the capsule word actually, as you can see in the capsule tablet, we have ingredients inside that, but we don't know like what kind of ingredients they have, right? And it is all covered by some plastic cover or maybe some kind of capsule, right? So same like capsule, we have a topic encapsulation in object oriented programming, and as you can see the whole capsule, the whole class is illustrated by a class, as we have created a class named person, and then we have some private variables, right? So as we keep those variables private, so no one can access it, so we hide it from the outside world. But to set data and to get data to these variables, we have some public methods which were like public getter and setters, and those methods were public, and so that can be accessible to outside the world, so everyone can use those methods to set the data or to get the data from the those private variables, right? So this is how we keep our sensitive data hide from outside world, so no one can access it, right? But to access those fields, or we created some public getter and setter methods. So this is about encapsulation. So if you have any confusion, you can leave your comment in the comment section. Kindly subscribe my channel, click on the bell icon. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.